Hi guys, the Frugal Gal here. I'm going to give you a real quick look at this jewelry right here. And then I'm going to turn the camera around and show you each individual piece. And this is a necklace here. Okay? So you get an idea. Then I'm going to turn you around and talk to you face to face. These are going to be some lots that are for sale. Okay, hi guys. Don't mind the messiness here. Let me get you straightened up here. Okay, anyway. I'm selling lots again because I'm not having real good internet connection and service problems, so I can't really do auctions. So this is a lot, and this lot's going to be $25, but you're going to see plus shipping, and I'll do it the cheapest possible shipping. The first person who answers down in the comment and says want will win this lot, and then I will invoice you through PayPal, and you'll have to send me your information if I don't already have it. So the first thing that's in this lot, and I'm not good with stones, so I have to do this. This is genuine malachite, okay? Genuine malachite, as you can see. And this is a 32-inch necklace. It doesn't have clasp. You just put it over your neck. The genuine, show it to you up close, malachite. And it comes with matching earrings. Right? So that's in this lot. It's kind of my green lot. Then you get this necklace, which is glass. The pendant on it right there, that green, that's glass. It's really pretty. Let me measure it to see how long it is. That is 20 inches long all the way down to this, and it's got a spring ring clasp on it. So from all the way up here from the spring ring all the way down the bottom of the pendant, and I'll show you the back of the pendant, and that is glass, like I said. Okay. Then you get this pendant, which is, I'm not used to doing this, I want to go over here. Green again, all wonderful antique gold color on the back. Okay. Then you're going to get this brooch, just because I'm throwing it in, because I am the brooch girl. Not signed, but it's beautiful. Gold tone, nothing wrong with it. And then you'll get this necklace, which is signed Liz Claiborne. And this has got, it's coming off more blue. It's a bluish green color. And each one of these pieces slide like this. I showed it to you, I think, on my last video. It's got the Liz Claiborne hang tag. It's got an extender on it, and it's on like a serpentine chain. Gold tone. And I'll measure it for you. It's a short necklace. It measures 16 inches with a 3-inch extender. And then to make this worth your money for $25, and shipping shouldn't be that much. And I charge actual shipping, unless you want it priority mail shipped. Is this signed sterling silver, and I know it looks coppery, but it's sterling silver if you want to shine it up. It's signed sterling silver anklet. Yeah, anklet. Ankle bracelet anklet. It's like 9 inches long. So you get all that for $25 plus shipping. The first person who down below says want gets it. And thank you for watching. Bye.